Ayo, 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 ayo. How are you guys? It's Money Online with yet another video. Forex trading here. And today we are looking at how to read a Forex quote. If you haven't seen the other videos we started with, right from defining what is Forex trading, understanding it, check my other videos. Also, subscribe to get my other videos that I'll be posting, the more videos that will be coming. Subscribe, like, comment, share. Yeah, so let's get into business. How to read a Forex quote. uh, Whenever you have an open position in Forex trading, you are exchanging one currency for another. Currencies are quoted in relation to other currencies. Remember, we said in Forex trading we trade two currencies at a go. Let's say it's a US dollar or Japanese yen, US dollar or British pound, like that. Here is an example of pound, British pound with a US dollar. So a quote, that means the first one is always, it's called the base currency. Then the second one is called the quote currency. In this case, USD is our quote currency, pound is our base currency. So here is an example of the exchange rate for the British pound versus the US dollar. In our previous video, we understood what is the exchange rate. So here we are saying the exchange rate as 1.21228. So what does it mean? It means to get to one US dollar, to get to 1 pound, you need $1.21228 to get the base currency. So the exchange rate shows the quote currency, how many quote currencies you need to get or to exchange and get one base currency. The base currency is always one. So the other figure is the exchange rate for the quote currency. Okay, so the first listed currency to the left is of the slash is known as the base currency, which is the pound here. Then the other is the quote currency, which is the USD. Okay, you get that one, I understand. Okay, the second currency on the right is called the counter or the quote currency, which is the USD in our example. When buying, the exchange rate tells you how much you have to pay in units of the quote currency to buy 1 unit of the base currency. The base currency is the first currency on the slash or before the slash. Okay. So here we are still moving on this example. You have to pay 1.21228 US dollars to buy 1 pound, 1 British pound. When selling, the exchange rate tells you how many units of the quote currency. When, let's say, when selling, the exchange rate tells you how many units of the quote currency you get for selling 1 unit of the base currency. So what do they mean that when selling? So here it means if I speculate that the pound is going to get weaker, that means I'll be selling it. If the pound is going to get weaker, as we have seen in selling, you are moving down. Those one that in our previous videos we looked at the charts. So it will be a downward trend, moving down, that will be selling. Moving up will be buying. So when you decide to sell, you speculate that the pound is going to be weak against the US dollar, then you sell. So when you are selling, that means when you sell 1 pound, you'll be getting $1.21228. When you buy, it means you will need $1.21228 to buy dollars to get 1 pound. You get that one. Okay, so briefly, that's what I can tell you about the Forex quotes, as simple as that. So remember to hit the subscribe button, guys, so that you support me, so that I get the energy to give you more videos, simplified videos, easy to understand. I don't want to complicate anything, because this is the beginners, just basics of forex trading. I want you to understand it in the best simplified way I can. So hit the subscribe button, check my other videos. I'll be posting more videos, and also I'm partnering with Forex Bulls Academy, where they have a full course on forex trading. It goes beyond just course. They bring in weekly Zoom classes. You'll be having access to weekly Zoom classes, student community. You'll be able to exchange ideas with other people learning forex and the experts in forex trading. You'll be having live analysis. So before you go in for a trade, you need to have an analysis, market analysis. You analyze so that you're able to tell which the currency you want to trade, is the pound getting weaker? So there are a lot of things you put into consideration before you hop in for a trade. If not, you'll fail. That's why statistics show that 90% of people doing forex, they fail. Beginners fail in forex trading. Why? Because of analysis. But lucky for you, this course, it's very cheap. You'll be getting those live analysis before the trade. You'll be getting signals. So the course is in the description below. Click the link in the description below. It will take you straight to the course. The Forex Bulls Academy. Access the course. It's very cheap, guys. It's very cheap compared to the money you will put in if you just go start trading right now, which I don't advise. First, get the knowledge. Get the knowledge. Get the knowledge. So access the course in the description below. Okay, it's money online, guys. See you in my next video. Remember, hit the subscribe button. I will love it. See you in the next video, guys.